Hello and welcome to my next review on the channel. In today's video I make a review about two jerseys bought from ijerseys.co, a very nice website from where you can buy very high quality jerseys. As you can see, here is also a coupon code FC8 for orders over $50 and some statistics, and of course that you can get up to $28 if you make a review like this one. But now let's go to the jerseys, because they are two very beautiful and also interesting jerseys. One of them is a PSG pre-match jersey. Now let's go to the front of the jersey, which has this minimalistic design. So this is how the front of the jersey looks like. It's short sleeve, simple white with these badges and this blue collar and these red small triangles here on the bottom. The PSG badge is embroidered, so it's a nice material. As it's embroidered, it will never fall off, and also the Nike logo embroidered as well. Very nice. So this would be all about the badges. On this one there is no sponsor logo, and the front of the collar is this blue material, blue color, and a bit more elastic than the rest of the jersey. As you can see on the bottom of the jersey, this small badge with the Nike engineered text on it, and these red triangles which are the bottom of the jersey. The material is really nice. There is some small pattern with some triangles. I don't know if you can see it. So this would be about the front of the jersey. Let's not forget it's dry fit technology and size L. And now let's go to the back of the jersey, which is also really simple, full white, so nothing to show here. Pre-match jerseys can be customized, and here you can see under the shoulders that it has this different material which makes your body and the underarm breath better. So it's more like a transparent material with these little holes on it. This would be all. Every detail, everything is probably like on an original jersey. But now let's go to the Manchester United jersey. So the second jersey, Manchester United away jersey. This would be all about the front of the jersey. As you can see, the sponsor logo, the badge, the United badge, the Adidas badge, the collar, nice material. So this would be all. This is a fun version, long sleeve jersey, as you can see. And now let's go to the details. The sponsor logo, team viewer, which is heat pressed with this black material, very well heat pressed, and the Manchester United badge, it's embroidered. So here on the edges is made the embroidery and it won't fall off, and also here the Adidas logo is embroidered very well. And now the color of the jersey, it's from this elastic black material with this white and red stripes in it, and it's really elastic, as you can see. So yeah, it's really nice. It's a V-neck. This is how it was designed for this year's jersey. So V-neck and these red and black stripes on the shoulder of the jersey, and this sponsor logo also heat pressed on the left sleeve of the jersey. I don't know, maybe this is optional, maybe it's by default there, I don't really know. But this is how the long sleeve looks like, also with this different material under the arm, under the shoulders, and the end of the sleeve also from a more elastic material, so that it stays better on your hand. At the bottom of the jersey you can see the already Adidas technology and the material of the jersey. The bottom, very high quality. It's a really elastic jersey, so it's not a player version but still really elastic. So yeah, everything really nice. But now let's go to the back of the jersey, because it's customized with a legendary player, at least for Manchester United's history. Cantona number 7, really beautiful letters, so of course the original font, as it's always with these jerseys. On the bottom you can see the Premier League logo and this matte black heat pressed number 7, and of course the letters with this white edge border and the black glossy material, but very high quality, very well heat pressed, and they always last long, so I can't really complain about these. Really beautiful, as you can see. And yeah, this would be all about the jerseys. Thank you for watching this review, and subscribe because more are coming. Thank you, goodbye.